ಕೇಳುಗ್ರೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾವು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇಲಾಖೆಯ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳನ್ನು, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಚೇರಿಗಳ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥರನ್ನು, ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರುಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾತಾಡಿಸಿ ಈ ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿಗೆ ಏನು ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇಲಾಖೆಯ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಏನಿದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದ ಹಾಗೆ ನೀವೇನು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ಕೈಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಈ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಆಕಾಶವಾಣಿ ಮತ್ತು ದೂರದರ್ಶನ ಪ್ರಸಾರ ಭಾರತಿ ಅನ್ನುವ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕೊಡೆಯೊಳಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕ ಪ್ರಸಾರ ಸೇವೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಉದ್ದೇಶ. ತಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಸಲ ತಿಳಿಸಿದ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ನೀಡುವುದು, ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ನೀಡುವುದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಮನೋರಂಜನೆ ಕೊಡುವುದು ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಉದ್ದೇಶಗಳು ಅಂತ. ಪ್ರಸಾರ ಭಾರತಿ ಈ ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನಿನ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋವಿಡ್-19 ಕುರಿತು ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಮತ್ತು ಜನರ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಸ್ಪಂದಿಸುವ ಕುರಿತ ಹಾಗೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಆಕಾಶವಾಣಿ ಮತ್ತು ದೂರದರ್ಶನಕ್ಕೆ ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ತುಂಬ ಸಲಹೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅನುಕೂಲತೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತು ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಭಾರತದ ಆಕಾಶವಾಣಿ ಮತ್ತು ದೂರದರ್ಶನ ಕೇಂದ್ರದ ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ವಿಭಾಗ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರಾಜ್ಕುಮಾರ್ ಉಪಾಧ್ಯಾಯ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತುಕತೆಯನ್ನು ನಾನೀಗ ಆರಂಭಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರಾಜ್ಕುಮಾರ್ ಉಪಾಧ್ಯಾಯ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸರ್.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಮ್ಮ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ
ಸರ್. ಈಗ ನಾನೀಗಾಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ ಹಾಗೆ ದೇಶದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಕಾಶವಾಣಿ ಕೇಂದ್ರಗಳು ತುಂಬ ವಿಶೇಷವಾದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕ ಪ್ರಸಾರ ಸೇವೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಸಾರ ಭಾರತಿ, ಆಕಾಶವಾಣಿ, ದೂರದರ್ಶನ ಹೇಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಉದ್ದೇಶಗಳೇನು, ಪಾತ್ರ ಏನು, ದ ರೋಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಬ್ರಾಡ್ಕಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಕೋವಿಡ್-19 ಅಂತ ದಯಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್. ನೀವು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ನಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ದಯಮಾಡಿ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಮೇಡಮ್. ದಿ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಬ್ರಾಡ್ಕಾಸ್ಟರ್ itself suggests that we need to serve the public.
Yeah.
Whatever be the circumstances, we need to serve the people. Even during lockdown, all our employees, all our colleagues are braving the circumstances and continuously working for disseminating useful information to the public. Apart from entertaining them, they are not only giving the news bulletins, COVID bulletins, and also entertaining them because the listeners are at home, so they are also entertaining them. The role of public broadcaster is little different from the private channels, because the private channels, their motive naturally will be profit, nothing wrong in that. But as a public broadcaster, our role is more of a nation building. Nation building, what I mean is that we need to turn out programs which contribute to the nation building, be it giving useful information at the right time, be it programs for poverty elevation, be it programs for women empowerment, be it programs for socio-economic development, or more importantly for preservation of culture and heritage in the country. So our role is a little bit different in this perspective, that we give programs which suit to the public, which ultimately results in the socio-economic development of our society.
ಹೌದು, ದೇಶ ಕಟ್ಟುವ ಕೆಲಸ, ಮಾಹಿತಿ ನೀಡುವ ಕೆಲಸ, ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಲೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸಂರಕ್ಷಿಸುವ, ಪೋಷಿಸುವ ಕೆಲಸ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇಂಥ ವಿಶೇಷದ ಸಂದರ್ಭಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಜನರ ಜೊತೆ ಇರುವ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಬ್ರಾಡ್ಕಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಕಾಶವಾಣಿ ಮೇಲಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ತಾವು ಇಡೀ ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಭಾರತದ ಆಕಾಶವಾಣಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ದೂರದರ್ಶನ ಕೇಂದ್ರಗಳ ಮೇಲ್ವಿಚಾರಕರು, ಸಲಹೆಗಾರರು ಅಂತ ವಿಶೇಷದ ಕೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ನಿಲಯಗಳು ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಗಮನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದದ್ದು ಕೆಲವನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಸರ್. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಶೇರ್ ಸಮ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಆಕಾಶವಾಣಿ or in Doordarshan, which has been done during this lockdown period?
Of course, see, we have the first and foremost attention is towards turning out good news, authentic news.
Yeah.
Because there is a lot of fake news which is going around in various mediums. So the first role of us as a very reputed organization is giving very authentic news to the listeners and our viewers in DD. We are giving not only news, we are also producing a lot of special COVID bulletins and information as it arrives about the situation about COVID. We are interviewing various doctors in order to give very authentic information, medical information. And also we know that during lockdown people are at home, so at times some of them are feeling why they are not able to go out. So therefore we also are giving programs which are which can bring their nostalgic memories back.
Yeah.
For example, in TV we have started Ramayana, Mahabharata. Krishna is starting from tonight, and So a lot of these historical mythological series has been started in DD, which has the response has been very, very tremendous. And I think I am very happy to share this news that Ramayana has broken world record in terms of viewership. This is the number one program which has achieved historically any time world over the best viewership numbers.
Yeah.
So we are also, apart from Ramayana, Mahabharata, a lot of other nostalgic serials have been turned out in both DD National as well as DD Bharati.
Yeah.
Even our regional channels, for example, our Chandana, if I say,
Yeah.
we have started Crazy Colonel, which
Yeah.
which entertained people in 1989.
Yeah, many people like it.
Yeah, we are getting a lot of good response from people. Thankfully, nowadays social media is there where we can get the feedback very quickly. So on our YouTube as well as our social media handles, we are getting very good response for KG Colonel. Similarly, we have started Subanna, directed by famous director Sheshadri ji.
Yeah.
Sarasammana Samadhi.
Sarasamana
Based on
Samadhi. Yeah.
Yeah, that is based on our Dr. Shivram Karan Saab's
Novel. Yeah.
Like there's so many programs in DD as well as in radio. For example, in radio, we are a treasure of information and treasure of, archival information, archival recordings of very, very eminent artists, eminent performers, eminent scholars. So across India, in fact, we have started putting iconic plays
Yeah.
on radio. They are also finding place in YouTube. Viewers and listeners may be aware that Prasar Bharati is taking a lot of initiatives to become a digital first organization. Lot of our content which is in archives, we are turning out it on a digital platform so that more and more globally people can benefit. We have also started iconic programs like Valmiki Ramayana, short stories by eminent writers, Tyagaraja's creations, and for example, Srinath Bhagavad Geetam, Kandapuram, and today the program on Dawn Chorus was done by Air Delhi. In fact, it was reported in one of the top print media that the tradition of Dawn Chorus was saved by All India Radio.
Yes, sir.
Because All India Radio, in spite of lockdown, worked hard, and all the stations contributed and produced a series on Dawn Chorus. And a special program was done today.
And Akashvani Mangalore also, sir, broadcast series of Yakshagana based on Ramayana actually.
Yeah, I know, because be it Akashvani Bangalore, Hyderabad, Trivandrum, all our south stations. In fact, I am very happy to share that our employees, our colleagues really braved the circumstances very, very well. And in spite of the lockdown, we continue to work. Our transmission, our program production did not affect. We continue to work and continue to serve the people. And the one initiative definitely I would like to talk to our viewers and listeners is that we have a News on Air app, and all our radio stations in the country are available on this News on Air app. You may be anywhere in the globe. You can listen to any of the radio stations live at your convenience of your home, on mobile phones or on any platform. News on Air app is available. You can also watch our programs on YouTube. Like now, YouTube also is gaining a lot of traction. All our DD programs, very good programs, are being put on the YouTube for the viewers or the listeners to enjoy these programs at their whenever they want. And we also know that during this time, the students are also quite anxious.
Yeah.
So we have started. For example, I can talk about our South Zone. In all our 5 DD Kendras, whether it is Chennai, Trivandrum, Hyderabad, Vijayawada and Bangalore, we have started education classes for students.
Yeah.
And they are getting very good response because this time, especially for SSLC students, for whom exams are yet to take place, they are enjoying those classes. And we put those classes after telecast, we put them on YouTube. And I see lakhs of hits. For example, the very first class of SSLC, which we did from Bangalore, had recorded 1.6 lakh hits, or 1.6 lakh hits on the very first lecture. So it means there is a demand for such content.
Yeah.
And since our motto as public broadcasters is to serve people, we don't really look into commercial aspect. Our main job is to see that how best we can serve the people of this country.
So I feel happy to mention that actually last year Akashvani had recorded lessons for SSLC students. Same is being repeated In our station also, after 1 week or so, actually we have lots of lessons on science, social studies, English and mathematics, sir. That will be repeated
That's
again.
a very good initiative. In fact, Akashvadi Bangalore also did classes. And
Yeah.
in fact, I have requested all our AIR station and DD stations to, give special attention to these education classes.
Yeah.
Not necessary that we should be totally commercial on that.
Yeah.
We should, turn out program educative content for our children so that, they can utilize this lockdown time much better.
At the same time, it's my privilege to say that department has given us all the facilities, like you have taken care of us, saying that you have full freedom to have sanitizers and masks and thermal scanners, everything, so that our staff also should be very safe and secure and healthy and all.
Of course, that is our responsibility. I mean, that is our responsibility. We must give adequate, good environment of working, take care of their safety, and I'm very happy that all our stations are taking all the precautions so that they remain safe while they do the national service as a public broadcaster. And whatever is needed from our side, definitely the management will be very happy to provide all the necessary support to because all our employees, be it engineering, be it program, be it administration, are working very hard in this during lockdown. And I must thank all our colleagues for giving their best even during these testing times.
Sir, your message to our staff and also to our listeners at this period, sir.
Yeah, see, to the listeners first, lockdown was announced so that, people don't, the disease doesn't get transmitted from one to another. Even though lockdown is being relaxed, but now lockdown has to be practiced by us on our own, not by by compulsion by the government.
Yeah.
But we must practice this lockdown on our own, like it is being done in many countries. We must maintain social distance. We must wash our hands. We must use a mask. We ourselves are responsible for self-lockdown. Whenever I need a work to be done outside, only I will move. Otherwise, for unnecessary thing, I won't move. If I take precaution, then I help not only myself, I also help the other person, because the accidents don't happen by one's mistake. It happens by others' mistake also.
That's right.
So when we take care of protecting ourselves, we are also protecting the other party. So that is what I would request listeners, and we definitely, will tell them that from AIR and DD, we will give them adequate information, adequate entertainment, and all the programs which will entertain them and give timely information.
Yes,
as far as our employees are concerned, our colleagues are concerned, I again thank them that they have done a wonderful job. They have been braving the circumstances. They have been doing their best in spite of many times, even when initial days we did not get past that easily. They, somehow or the other, they made their own efforts to reach the station and, continue to do their duty and give the program. I will request them to continue their great work and continue to serve the society. Especially for radio, I must say that like TV stations, we have one in the state. Radio stations are many.
Yeah.
Like in Karnataka itself, we have 13 radio stations. So radio plays a very, very important role in terms of, its popularity and its mobility, its cost effectiveness, and more importantly, it is able to, connect with the local.
Yeah.
For example, all India radio stations have been able to connect with the local administration, local DCs, local SPs, local police, local administration, and give much more quicker information. So I will definitely say to our employees, our colleagues, that they have been the forefront of preserving this brand, All India Radio, and they must continue to this good work, and so that listeners also continue to like us as they have been doing all these years.
Yes, thank you, sir. District administration also is considering All India Radio as a very authentic source, and they always give us information which is needed to be given to public. And the police and the medical fraternity, all of them have helped Akashvani to broadcast all the necessary things in time.
Yeah, that is important because that is how they also know that whatever is spoken from All India Radio or DD is very authentic, and public also knows that this is authentic. And I know, for instance, even in Mangalore, you helped somebody on the port who was having some problem, and you connected with the local administration. Similarly, some Uttarakhand laborers were stuck in Hyderabad, and Hyderabad AR connected with that administration. So, apart from entertaining the public, you are also working. Like Kerala, for example, has a disaster relief center. So, you are not only turning out good programs for the listeners, you are also helping the administration in terms of connecting with the people, because we are a bridge between the government and the public, and we continue to do this job.
Yes, sir. Actually, Akashvani Mangalore, like any other station, every day is broadcasting live program. Actually, it is a bridge building effort only, sir. Listeners share their problems. Immediately, we call to the concerned officers or the people's representatives, and they immediately solve their problems, sir. So, it's very successful in that way that we are able to reach people with proper information and solutions, sir.
I must thank you. I must thank all your colleagues there for working so hard during these times, protecting our brand and serving the public, and continue to do work for nation building.
Thank you so much, sir. It's our privilege to have your interview, and we'll be broadcasting it. Thank you so much.
Thank you, madam. Thank you. Namaste, madam.